got the helicopters coming now, Todd.
You're not gonna spend that kind of money for us.
Damn. Oh, there's the cops right there. Look at that. 5. Oh, they're looking. Yeah.
He's got sauce on. What's up with that mini bike? It's got a longer swing arm on it. You see that? Yeah, it's like meant for dragging.
Or like that, what is it? The Goon?
Look, there goes the U-turn. Watch. He's gonna go up there, make it back.
Can you make it left down by Sunset from up there?
Yeah.
He's probably just gonna scope out everybody.
Neighbors, they call.
Probably.
My bad.
It wasn't only you, it was everyone.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to crowd. I didn't want to crowd because I knew everybody was gonna start doing that shit.
Right. I should go out there and drag it. Oh, see, there's a U-turn.
Oh, no.
He made it again. Uh-oh.
You're all behind the car.
Guys, move away.
Yeah.
You're gonna hear that cop get someone down there.
You think so?
He's probably over it. He's probably here every fucking weekend dealing with the same shit over and over again. Dealing with the same shit while they're so they have to show their presence.
Oh, the same person on the side? Probably. That direction.
Dude, that shit is fast. That shit is fast, man.
Hi, Clyde! Oh! Ah! Woo! Madness, dude. This is too much.
Yeah.
It's too much.